It turns out Russia actually sucks tremendously at disinformation, and the state-run media just bought some conspiracy theory from QAnon and reported it as news. Hey everyone, welcome to my regular report on Clown World Insanity. Today we talk a little bit about the lack of fact-checking capability in Russian state-run media and how they actually reported some wild conspiracy theory on the QAnon forum as news. It all started with this news article from Russia Today, a website which still is censored here in Portugal, which means I have to use the Tor onion routing system to bypass the censorship. So they were reporting that the Russian military would have found documents suggesting that they were developing biological weapons in the Ukraine, referencing the patent down here, number 8967029, which is claimed in this article to, I quote, Kirillov also referenced the US patent number 8967029 for a mechanism to deploy aerosolized pathogens from a drone. The US response to a 2018 Russian inquiry about this patent did not deny its existence, but claimed that it technically did not violate Washington's obligation under treaties banning chemical and biological weapons, he pointed out. So I figured, okay, sounds like this insane nonsense you'd sometimes hear from those old school real anti-vaxxers who come with crazy claims and tell you to check out the patent, and then the patent doesn't really have anything to do with what they claim, or it's only remotely related. Kind of sounded like, well, a crazy conspiracy theory. So, but okay, if such a patent would exist, right, you could easily spread something like this. Well, if you have a really potent virus like the Resident Evil zombie virus, spreading it with a drone, if there's a patent like that, we should kind of go checking. So I went digging. So the only thing I could find online is the patent with this number. It's US 8967029B1. It has something to do, but it's not about aerosolized spread of viruses. It is a device for the aerial release of mosquitoes, including an unmanned aerial vehicle, well, a drone. So that, well, a drone is involved, like they claim in their Russia Today article, holding a central processing unit and a mosquito breeding bin. So it's basically they have their idea is to squash a bunch of mosquitoes into a drone and have those mosquitoes be infected with some virus, I don't know, malaria. Usually when you get ill from getting bitten by a mosquito, it's malaria. So it's basically a mechanism to release mosquitoes. Well, it was registered in 2014, so there's that. That's the only patent I could find. Then I figured, well, as after the Hunter Biden laptop, we know that big tech in the US is not very reliable. They go censor ahead, especially when you wanna keep a secret from your population that your government has developed illegal bioweapons. It's very possible that all the common search engines available in the West, even maybe Baidu search, might be censoring it. So I went ahead and used this decentralized peer-to-peer based search engine YACI. I searched for this patent number in YACI and found one search result, which is a QAnon research board, where they talk about, down here, this theory. So what happened is Russian reporters seem to have been reading QAnon conspiracy theory discussion boards, misunderstood it because they probably are not very good at English. They're probably Russian speakers. And the result was this Russia Today article. So in that case, Russian state media was the victim of crazy conspiracy theorist disinformation from the West. That's funny. And it's really funny with QAnon. It always it's visibly QAnon when you hear some really half-baked, not really consistent story with things which don't add up. But I was right. It doesn't. This article, this Russia Today article, doesn't just sound like QAnon. It literally is the product from someone reading QAnon discussion boards. I figured I'd share this gem. See you next time.